We're in the Retro Bowl here, aka the Super Bowl against the Houston Oilers. Um, what do I want? I was gonna play in my Frosty Whites, just to be, just so the drip's real for the Super Bowl. Just had to pause there and break up the video so we have just a Super Bowl video here, a retro Super Bowl video, and we're looking to put up some big points. And Houston gets 3. Here we go, first possession. Lowry for 7. Gaines is going to pick up 14, give us some breathing room. Sideline shuffle from Gaines for 14 yards. Did I already say that tunes are down? But it's okay. Commentary's on. It's good. Look at that tightrope walk by Gaines down the sideline. We're cruising here. Lowry for 8. We're going to punch it in with Gaines. We kick it off. Case Glenn's too slow. And they're going to kick a field goal. That's how it should look. Oh, when he slips too, that's one of those it can go better scenarios. But it's the way it's supposed to look. And it starts with that catch and juke. That route right there. If they're going to give it to me, I'm going to take it. Ooh. It's a unritualistic drop from Clark at the bottom there. Oh, come on. Yes, Lowry. Good man. Can you believe that? Gaines punches it in one play after a fumble in the red zone. Wingard forces a fumbled. Wingard, we love you. We love you in DC. I like hitting that route. We get the block from the wide receiver if he's worth his weight. Clark's gonna pick up 13. Gaines had a good block on the play before that, is what I was talking about. You're supposed to catch that, buddy. Inside the 10-yard line. Time is running out in the first half here in Retro Bowl. Jeez, I don't know. 60 or something? How many years I've been playing? Severely underthrown ball. Steve Clark's going to pick up a touchdown in the Super Bowl. He's coming back. He's been an animal this year. We like that. Big stop. I gotta stop doing that. I really only do it on film too. I'm just so afraid of getting a pick. I'm pretty carefree in my alt save. Maybe I should play more like that. Spencer's gonna pick it up and carry it for 8. Come on. 23 yards for Lowry. And Clark's going to punch in another. We got the deja vu, too. Oilers are going to pick up another 6. He's going to sneak by a few defenders there and pick up a couple extra yards. Clark. Gains for 16. We're in the fourth quarter here. Oh, I took a chance there, and it paid off. 14 yards to Clark. Sometimes I'll throw a pick there. Sometimes I'll throw a pick anywhere I want and everywhere. But got lucky there. 4-yard touchdown to Lowry, the tight end. Almost underthrew that deja vu too, but we get it. And let's get the ball back one more time. Come on. All right. 3 timeouts, 48 yards. We're on our own 30. Let's get to it. Ooh, I was looking too long. Just about the 50-yard line. Sideline shuffle. Oof. What have we got? Yes. Yes. Oh, you're gonna fall down to catch that? Jesus. Oh my God. Yes. Cage with a great play to end the Super Bowl. Really happy about that. Jesus. Win 3. Cool. 3 in 3 seasons. Cooler. Alright, guys, I got some stats to look over. He did have a great game. We're going to lose fans over the offseason anyway. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll let you see the screen, and I'm going to screenshot it because I'm a nerd. Novi, out.